Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture also we will continue our discussion regarding the section of solid. The section biplane perpendicular to horizontal plane, and I have taken an example of this square prism of base side 40 mm, axis 60 mm, which is resting on its base on the HP, and such that one of its rectangular faces is inclined at 30 degree to the vertical plane. This is first part of the question. Second part, it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to HP. So there is a sectional plane is there which is cutting that object and which is perpendicular to HP and inclined to vertical plane with an angle of 60 degree, passing through the prism such that a face which is inclined 60 degree to vertical plane is bisected. That means one of the face we need to consider and which is inclined 60 degree, and that face need to be bisected. Any of the face need to be bisected with an angle of 60 degree. Draw its sectional front view, top view and true shape of the section. So three things we need to draw. First let understand. So square prism, we know that that base will be base is square, and this is the height of this square prism, or you can say the axis height. So it looks like a rectangle, but it should be a square type will be there. Yeah, like this it will be there. Anyway, so this is our vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane, and that square prism is kept in such a way that one of the face, one of the base, you can say one of the base, not face, one of the base is makes an inclination with that object at an angle of 30 degree. So there is an inclination is there to the vertical plane of 30 degree, this base. After that then there is a sectional plane will be there. So first what we need to do, first we need to draw the orthographic view of front view and top view in the AutoCAD. So let's go for the AutoCAD. Here I'll go for the page setup, and this is a normal procedure is there, and I'll go for I'll draw a reference line. Okay, and first I'll go for the polygon selection and the number of sides 4, and select the edge and with the base 40. Okay, now this one need to be actually rotated. So this one, let go for the rotation, select any of this base and go for the minus 30 degree angle, so that one of the faces, you can say, with an angle of inclination to this object is 30 degree. Now after that, what we'll do, from each of the corner point we need to just project the vertical projector line to the reference line, so that from there we can draw the front view. So front view, we know that it is a prism, so height is 60 given, and we just can draw like this. Yeah, and from this 2 point also just draw the vertical projector lines upward. Yeah, so this one, what we'll do, we'll just can highlight this with some different colors, and if you want to give the thickness also, you can increase the thickness. Let me increase the boundary of this border, and this reference line also let me a little bit increase it. Okay, so next what we'll do, next we'll go for the second stage of that question, that means the sectional inclination plane. So the sectional inclination plane which makes an angle of 60 degree, which makes an angle of 60 degree to vertical plane, but it should be moved through the center point of the line. So for that what we'll do, we'll just draw a line. I'll take a just line from here, and that need to be passed through this, with an angle of 60 degree, and just select this line. Just I'll go for the rotation directly. Rotation, just to take this point and go for an angle of minus 60, and this need to be actually projected in the center point of this, like this. This is the midpoint. Through the midpoint it should be crossed. So completed mostly. Next, this is a bisected line. Now from here we need to project the line to the upward, and this is the sectional plane, so you can change its thickness and change its properties. Okay, and This part need to be highlighted again, that hatching need to be given in this part. So this one, okay, and this also you can, okay, I'll go for the highlighting of this. So select the red color and this, so go for the selection of line. I just can complete this like this. So this is first part and second part is here. Just you connect all these lines and just complete it. Okay, this also we can change the color of this so that it will be completed. This is first part, front view, top view part completed. Now the second thing is we need to just project a reference line. This line can be just a little bit extended. You can keep like this. And second thing, what we'll do, just offset this object through. I'll keep it here a little bit distance here. Okay, and this one actually I'll draw not a center line or not a section line. I'll just draw a normal line and I'll just change its color. And finally what I'll do, I'll just project, okay, change its color to by layer, change its thickness to default, go for the selection of this. From here we need to just draw a line with some dimension of suppose 90 and angle of 150. Yeah, and similarly just this same line I'll just copy. Otherwise you'll do one thing, CO enter and just move point to here to there. Okay, so that 1 minute. Yeah, so what we'll do next, yeah, from here this is actually XY line. I'll give some text here, so text part also we can do it here. So this is, you can give the reference line X and this is Y. So here we can give X1 and this is Y1 and this is our horizontal trace HT. Similarly we can give some names here. What are they given? Let's see, AB, A1, B1. Okay, AB. So here you can start A comma 1 and here it is B comma 2. Similarly here it is C comma 3 and this is D comma 4 point. So here also we can mark it A dash. Okay, A dash and this is C dash. Similarly this is D dash is there, D dash point and B dash point is here. And apart from that here similarly 1 dash is here and this is 3 dash and this is 4 dash here and this is our 2 dash point. So yeah, next thing I'll complete it. Remaining other points also you need to highlight this cutting part. So what I'll do, I'll go for circle and I'll just measure from here to here. The distance we can directly measure or we can go for in this way also. So I'll just copy this one, I'll keep it here and I'll select the point, I'll just mark it here. Again same circle, I'll just move it to from that point to this point and I'll just highlight a point here. Now this circle is not required, you delete it. Now again what I'll do, I'll just select this color and I'll just finally I'll just join this and this is the final part, and after that we'll go for the hatching on this. That's it. So this is all about the true section of the object. This is the front view, you can say sectional front view. This is the true section and this is the top view. Okay, sectional top view part. And here also you can mark it some here. This is our true section of that. And also a point also you can mark PQRS, that need to again given here PS P comma S and this is Q comma R. Similarly here you can mark it P Q, this is P Q and this is R and this is S. Similarly other point also need to be marked, and apart from that after that we need to give the dimension of this. So dimension we can select this height from here to here, that can be given here. Again this base this need to be inclined actually, so inclined select the align and this part need to be given here. this one. Angle also I have already given. So these are the basic things need to be done to draw the sectional view and section of solids, how to draw it. And this is the front part of this, and this is the top, and this is the sectional view. So I hope you understood how to draw this. So remaining things like other texting part, we can do it. What are the textings are missing there? That is not a big issue. So you can draw in this way the answer. So I hope you understood how to draw it. If you are having any kind of doubt, query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. So thank you all.